This is the Oakley Creek walkway, and it is only a 30-minute te aunga, a 30-minute walk from my house. And I can't believe that the entire summer I haven't come down here. And there is meant to be a waterfall. More ducks. Wow. Well, here's the waterfall, and seriously, you know, COVID-19, rediscover your neighbourhood. This is within 5 k's of my house, that's fine. Well, this is the Oakley Creek Waterfall and all the ducks, and it's within 5 k's of where I live, and I've lived part of the time in Point Chevalier at my place for many years, and I've never been here. Unbelievable. Rediscover your neighbourhood.